yada se se wo hwe bedwom na mom yatena se de obonkrata no abanti mu nkomo na yeba na abedie na de bia me kai wo se myjoyonline.com na afi adomonline.com en semo no ebi won ma akwa betumi akanka na sa brede kwasinsia aye krado kwasi kwaba
noko
se de wagigi adamu idie asa de wampi ya ben bi se
edru okra ne sa
ta ho it looks good on you
baby ashe
o nya me gusu shrai
atupan su fata pa
se ja kabani slit ye be nde
duku nso awatimu nso
debo no amu afe nana daso bona mo afe nana yesa
se sheye
o nya me gusu shrai
ade asa che biem
yes
ye ma ehwo ne ahwefo tiefo nyina achi se afe na wo frifie a nyame fa nko no fa mra woma woni suade hunu ya wodi epie enei enwie mu ye emfa ma yese mu amka akodi bone na ye nchim
amen
mu amodwe o man hu papa epre o man kan ko ni mpuntuo nyame ma ne mo hwehwe emre mu na Ghana nya fanya kono emfa ma ye nyina yenimsi yakuye ni miya de debi you all say papa ne boni ye nyina awie ye ama Ghana agina ne naso tie mo ache so age bre na wo hwe na no pay badwam dwumadie eni free sabre kopemse na onkono ebebon komodi bebre egwom pepe so yedui da bokata emu ensebe wi a asem yi dika ebeba eno chi agudi makonfo besin konya no de agudi mu nsem atoa so de amaye ni abo de ewura eye ahosepe emu ye bedi komodi ya fa ya pomde wo ensem ne de baba wie empensempense mu enensem no edoso anochi waba adwasewa atenase bedende akwasi ensia de bokata na e krado amfa chi akase en confirma menyermo wasante mampo MC na adwa ade ba ko yesi e be sere Ghana Health Service is a doctor for wasante mampo san no mosa a doctor for wasante mampo government hospital omoso tia na etie
omoko nzo omufiri
hospital emeka se dodo na cost steady leave to na reshimu wo say like we say ombesa baba but na ye kasai a doctor for senior doctor them so ka so hwempa me ha mani kai besa ka besa mienu
hospital so hospital keto
enye hospital keto na serve amanfo a ewo Asante Mampon HIV virus en suta kwaman edra major case biaba most of it you refer to Asante Mampon sana bia ye dia ba konfanoche it ye besre Ghana Health Service Ministry of Health says remo da doctor for no se mo cha monchema nso Asante Mampon fo so bi because hospital is one nya hospital ketua uhwe ni pe kokogya yaresa na so be ko na doctor fom yenu na wono sebi omuso mu ye nipa
mreye wo
ho se ne ye nipa etimi eboto no salam so betimi aboto so assuming se doctor ni ba ko pe na be can a day so operate this whole facility
now be your world rounds be we cry no
so
sana be consulting room
say Minister of Health mumfa money ensure na munye emfa ema amanfo etisa empotem wonum adwa bibia no bia da daily graphic arasemu a esiye e wa Shaban Sojani Sheriff Imoro 21 years abamua kama fen wasisuo na obebo bra esum Ghana bo Ghana ho ba ya hye so no mamu pa boni fo bi kotini kwantifi a shama monte so won sika men na yekasai on counties fo bi enura isa so ye kremoni na kremofo hye mu tini sabio ye mfa fruntu won chinti enu mperefo akopɛ abrantie kurabea egusu mabusu nyina yakɔ e ma mo hyeden obatan ya sabre ne nsuno edagem due ne ensu enue ma mekafra Ghana asojafo nyina simu nyina mo hyade na mo kafra sanse wedie emu eya epenfo a eye nhwemu so esrem ada ma no content ma ne nkoka afro de no ho ne JB dan kwadu ni wona ewu bepem na ye hyade hunu wona ekum no esrem ada eba nsi ya encouraging crofo edie wo man mu so Ghana de okwa akoye ni ne enchew eba ne sade a eba no enwe peti abrante se nu a yakopa ne krabia Daily Graphic de bossa amane or the IGP phone so abahanum law enforcement to doorstep. Please create 7 new regions. Nti eno so asem ewa ha. Debate on new constitutional instrument. CDD Ghana suggests use of guarantor system instead of Ghana card as sole ID. See tonko so fa guarantor system no enye adwuma. More especially mo sa enka mo Ghana card wo ba at least so nyo obi obetimi ade no wadanse sampa me ma kwasinsi ama register betimi ato aba Ghana menim anoch waba se woti kokomlemle na busua fie ni ye ne na ekọ na ne na eba because the Ghana card might ye kase on qualify se obetwire ni ato aba ye ne no ni ne ye so far as dance on man pass betimi ajetum se simese ada so bentin eto aba hon bebe ye yenye no emfa entum Daily Graphic anyway but Daily Guide as well say respect people in uniform. Dominic Nitiwu, Minister for Defense, and I can say him. Ashama resident demand justice over military brutality. Aisha one son convicted, deported. Sister, one of the most powerful women ever Ghana, I don't know. Aisha one.
But when you're Ghanaian, no.
Gang of 3 jailed 75 years. Tears flow for a shaman slain soldier. Daily Guide, as ready way, Evadua.
Ghanaian Times was a former minister jailed over land, goes in 7 days for contempt. Dr. Mustafa Ahmed, quite a fair to some yensa, a wohonomo, no opinion, and a yasa honsem, and a court on the shares, a one children for assassin so. Went ye and a jay and pedifoso concotrim. So Jenny Yasemia working a decaya bobos to be remo. Was say migrant constitute 28.5% of Ghana's population. One word to a free amount would also. I bet no my Ghana mono. The 2021 census near course on penny for a diabetes just say. A 2 quarter for which chemo how much more do you know what a chili put in noom and no mufra man would also a BP more memoir. The Chronicle opinion for Nida so no okay.
Yes.
The Japan.
Chairman of Defense and
Interior Committee in Parliament. Was it soldiers beating innocent people at a Shaiman or Magia tomb?
Okay.
Or Mudium Komoro who say no be a sraf one bro no and na onim woni hu bi.
Okay.
Into ma pacho and a branty ya penny for a copper crab and one said na ene Job 19:7 a quotation at the Chronicle the buy. Me phone wa hanka me kind the tree version.
Okay.
Brofon was see behold I cry violence but I get no answer. I shout for help but there is no justice. Behold I cry violence but I get no answer. I shout for help but there is no justice. And no any quotation the Chronicle there about Job 19:7. Okay.
New weekend crusading guide Abakata and the Vice President Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia Efoni Aba and a Japan Penfomi be Ejna ni Benkum and in Nifaso. Restoring water bodies to their original state. Japanese scientists here to clean Galamsey polluted rivers. Enti ensuona Galamsey aseno River Pra den su ene ekeke se Japan phobia bomb ye scientists oba bempa. Nim kwanye betimi afa so a yebeboa ate ensuo no ani omaba ebeboa me abeti ensuo no ani ewo Ghana hanam. NPP to host youth summit in Germany. Yes. Jata cement fraud ring busted. They disguised as representatives of the company to dupe unsuspecting individuals. Strategic move for positive transformation and national development. Look at page 10. Our new weekend crusading guide mua. Ubenya story no hodom. Republic Press. A shaman in shock as anger trace military swoop. Slain soldier buried. Defense Minister calls for respect for soldiers. Mahama wants compensation for victims. Eye a shaman says no. Say aban empata wona yɛkɔsiba ɔmo a ɔmo nim asɛm no ho hwee yɛmpata ɔmo kɔɔ sɛ de bi m kora de kaka sɛ ɔmo kɔ hospital ɛduru atwere de mu no ɛbɛyɛ den
ɔmo ni sika because ɔmo nka bi nhyɛ mu sɛ ɔmo bɛkɔ ayaresabea
asogyafoɔ budget nso deɛ yɛnto din ɛna yɛn regulate emu da hɔ emu so munti bi fa nkɔhwɛ ɔmo
yes necessary
mfomsoɔ na aba munti bi fa nkɔhwɛ wɔn
obi na akɔka bɛka wɔn
yes mfomsoɔ na aba munti sika ne da hɔ ne bi no ɛmfa nkɔhwɛ nkrɔfoɔ a mo ankasa mo kɔ yɛ makɔboro mo no nkɔhwɛ wɔn mo because ɛnyɛ fair
na sɛ wɔn mpo a ɔmo yɛ suspect mpo
yes
na ɔmo dɛm sisi na sɛ ɔmo apɔmuden no ɛnkɔ yi a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ wɔn because untimi mo obi banko with cells
na adwa bɛrima ba nsa nka asɛm nka menka biem
de hen no
about sojafoɔ ne timamufoɔ asɛm but you see no kuro mu yɛsɛ yɛsɛ etua yɔnko ho a
etuatuam
si etuatuam penisi wɔde bɛba yɛyi kwan na anka wo dan a
wɔsi contract
we de ne gyine bɛdɛ bɛ wo so dan
bɔna bɛhu ne sɛ wu ya
number 1 kwan yɛ nipa bi de asogyafoɔ apolisifoɔ ɛnam so wɔ man mu no
enko ye o airtime kora
the kind of disrespect what the more the kind of anger ye nipa bi towards men and women in uniform and yet airtime but a reprisal attack from the men and women in uniform.
Yes, I say yentemo AI hwehwehwe bi.
And penifonshe, we have National Peace Council. This is where you need to step in. We need to find out why the anger this time. Because maybe a chemo near council ya for someone near chiri. Ukaso jenia not to me gane kora.
Yes.
But ene
as ya ben dodo.
And also beka ya same ni kan ye bo video bi. Abranti bi o say wo ka say enye uniform na ehye wo na wo ye be ma cheme.
Na wonyi ni so say nkrofo so the uniform ni bully nkrofo dodo.
That is what I'm saying, say let's find a way to deal with it because it seems there's an anger be war the civilian and either the military or the police and them.
There was a time opa bia na me the traffic so and truck driver.
Yeah.
I'm saying na mo use motorcade ni bi no police for no.
Yeah.
I said no oba be so e bibia na guy ni yin nsa say he say onko him because of the traffic so. Then the police didn't approach him say abufuo obu ne side mirror nyina and the guy was like then am I because we say uniform nti oh ba ben na me chese ma high load packed.
Yes.
Because he's in uniform, I was so bully a driver. And I become to now then a driver you can police ni any abrabe bu side mirror ni.
But waka Honorable Defense Minister, Honorable Interior Minister, Money National Peace Council, Montinas near finding a lasting solution to it. That seeming tension. Yeah, eba the civilian and men and women in uniform no. I know yaede. Ajua?
Yeah, call. Ebusi aida say asemi de ka eba ene ye fia danti no. Sister Sandy be a guy beba na afei we can see nso aba na ye di apomede ho nkomo na pense mu akwasinsia de ato aso ye basisia.